Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English speaking and listening practice video. Today, I'm going to talk about how to stay motivated. Sometimes we feel full of energy and ready to achieve our goals, but other times we feel lazy or discouraged. So, how can we keep going even when we don't feel like it? Let's talk about it. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me if you can. The first step to staying motivated is to set clear and realistic goals. If you don't know what you are working toward, it's easy to feel lost. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve. Do you want to improve your English? Get healthier? Learn a new skill? Whatever your goal is, write it down and make it specific. Instead of saying, I want to get better at English, say, I will practice speaking English for 30 minutes every day. When you have a clear goal, it's easier to stay focused. Big goals can feel overwhelming. That's why breaking them into smaller steps is so important. Imagine you want to run a marathon. You wouldn't start by running 42 kilometers in one day, right? You would start with small runs and increase the distance over time. The same idea applies to anything in life. If your goal is big, break it into small, manageable steps. This way, you can make progress every day without feeling stressed. Many people forget to celebrate their progress, but this is very important. When you complete a small step, take a moment to appreciate it. Say to yourself, I did it. This helps you stay positive and motivated. Even small wins, like learning 5 new words or completing a short workout, are achievements. Motivation grows when you recognize your progress, so don't ignore the little victories. The people and environment around you can affect your motivation. If you spend time with negative people who complain all the time, you might start feeling the same way. Instead, try to be around people who inspire and encourage you. Read books, watch videos, or listen to podcasts that make you feel positive. When you surround yourself with motivation, it's easier to stay on track. Sometimes we lose motivation because we forget why we started. When you feel tired or discouraged, take a moment to remember your reason. Why do you want to achieve your goal? What will change in your life if you succeed? Thinking about your purpose can give you the energy to keep going, even on difficult days. So, staying motivated is all about setting clear goals, breaking tasks into small steps, celebrating progress, surrounding yourself with positivity, and remembering your purpose. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline and consistency will keep you moving forward. Keep practicing, keep pushing yourself, and never give up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.